Erectile dysfunction is very common lately amongst men. And one thing that is that baffles me about the whole thing is that they find it really very embarrassing to talk about it. Very embarrassing. They rather resort to finding solution to the erectile dysfunction itself rather than looking for the root cause. Okay, now what is erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction is the inability of a man to achieve erection and then sustain it. Achieving erection is one thing, sustaining it or maintaining that erection is another thing. Okay, now there are lots of causes in that, a lot of things that can cause erectile dysfunction for a man. It can be hypertension, it can be diabetes, it can even be stress, it can be hormonal imbalance, it can also be related to some sexually transmitted infection. It can also be as a cause of a disconnection from your spouse. You should first ask yourself what could be the cause of this before you now go and find this. If you are able to locate the cause and then it is taken care of, your erections will come back the way it should without stress. But if you just go straight to getting stimulants, I tell you, you will not even find solution to the problem at all. Then one thing you should also, before ever you begin to manifest this before you get to the point where you are diagnosed to have erectile dysfunction, you would have also noticed on your own at some points that firstly you find it difficult to achieve erection, and then secondly, even after you've achieved this erection, you now begin to find it difficult to sustain it. Like, sustaining it is fine, you have achieved it. How long more do you now stay? You may have noticed that if you're able to sustain erection for say 3 to 5 minutes previously, your erection no longer lasts as much as 3 minutes or even 2 minutes. Those are the things you should first observe before it deteriorates to the level where you cannot even achieve nor sustain erection again. Also, one thing that could be a cause of this erectile is this excessive alcohol. You men, you consume a lot of alcohol. I don't know what you are see inside alcohol. You can spend a lot of money downing alcohol. I crave indulgence. Cut down on those things and make it a habit. Make it a habit to speak with your doctor first before you begin to find solution to problem, before you resort to self-medication. Self-medication has caused a lot of men a lot of problems lately. Self-medications has caused most men to have oligospermia and azoospermia and all what's not lately. So rather seek medical help, seek for medical opinion first before you think otherwise. Okay, guys, enjoy your day.